Reiki healing techniques for the heart and solar plexus wellness is what we'll be focusing on today. As I'm building a nice 21-day routine starting today on certain aspects of the Reiki practice that we can all bring. And I'm also doing this for my students. So I've taught people Reiki, and I just figured, you know what, this is a beautiful place to come and build up those resources. And I'm inviting all you people to come and join me, no matter where you are in your Reiki journey. Some of this, you may have been Reiki master for years, and some of it may resonate, some of it may not. That's perfectly fine. What's going to be done? We're just going to bring in some nice, simple Reiki techniques coming in for our heart and our solar plexus. Our hearts are our emotional kind of regulator, for want of a better word. There's so much more. It's if we can start working with the heart chakra, we start opening up, we really can enrich our lives. And the solar plexus is, for me, that's all about confidence. But again, there's so much more to that. We're going to activate those centers today. We're going to bring in some healing for ourselves. How it will be done, we're just going to bring in the Reiki and just focusing on those energy centers. That's really primarily what we're working on. And why? If we have a closed heart, we become kind of like distant, don't we? We become cut off from our emotions and we lose our place in the world. We become distant and people may shun us, and we we lose our love. And our solar plexus, again, that's more like our confidence. We go around thinking, getting all fearful. I can't do this. I'm worried about what's going to happen. Let's work on that. Remember the Reiki precepts just for today. Do not worry. It's certainly coming to my mind as I work with this. So anyway, without further ado, let's connect to the Reiki, however is right for you. I prefer the feminine version, which is almost like a chalice. So imagine the energy coming through your hands, funneling down almost like an antenna right into your solar plexus. Build the energy in your solar plexus right now. Just relax. And just imagine beautiful golden light coming in, right down to your solar plexus, into your navel, what we call the dantian, and just gently building. Relax your breathing, relax your shoulders, everything's soft and relaxed. We can give a little wiggle if you need to. We don't want any tension. And just feel the energy building and building. I like us all to smile right now, so curl your lips upwards. Bring those good feel vibes into your healing practice. A healing's meant to be enjoyed, it's not a chore. So all savour as we just connect with that beautiful healing light. Just allow that energy to come down. And I've just had this guidance as we work with our Reiki chakras. I'm going to put a bit my own little twist on here. Why not call in some beautiful archangels as well? So as you right now, I'd like you to just focus your attention on your heart chakra. So put your hands just roughly where the heart center is. You can either touch the body or hover. I'm actually going to hover mine to start with. And I'd like you to say after me, I invite in Archangel Shamael, or Shamuel, basically spelled Chamuel, and just invite in the power of pure unconditional love. Feel everything soften into that beautiful space. Just really getting into that beautiful space, just letting go. And get totally relaxed, totally free. Just feel into that area. And you may find your hands moving outwards and inwards. It's perfectly fine. Just allow it to happen. Maybe expand the heart center. Really feel the heart center going out wider and wider. And important that we relax. Keep relaxing. Keep relaxing into that beautiful space. Allow the energy to work. It's a beautiful self-healing routine that we're doing right now. I'd like you just to pull your shoulders back a little bit so we're all nice and tall, but we're still relaxed. It's not tense. There's this lovely relaxation. And I'd like us now to work on the energy of self-compassion, being compassionate towards yourself. So all those times you might have told yourself off for doing something seen as wrong, let it go. Let it go. It doesn't serve. It's done. It's in the past now. Concentrate ourselves in the present moment. That's really important. And really feel your love pushing outwards. For that energy helping you push that love out there for you. And this is not being narcissistic right now. We are inviting in some self-love for that wonderful, beautiful human being that you are. You've been drawn to this Reiki session for a reason. Let's stay in that beautiful energy. Keep building that energy with each step. And don't be surprised, your hands really start to tingle now. So we just keep working on that heart energy. Just open up the heart. Make that your intention. Just keep on opening the heart, allowing that energy to flow. Allow literally your soul light to flow. And you may feel this beautiful angelic presence around you with Archangel Shamael. It's very gentle energy. Very soft energy. And just imagine right now, everything just unwinding. All those sort of like concerns that you've had about maybe other people or yourselves, just feel it just gently dissipating. You're in your heart space right now. One of the best places to be. And with that beautiful loving energy of Archangel Shamael, let's drop now into your solar plexus. And here, I'm going to ask us to invite forward Archangel Uriel. That's Uriel. Uriel is very much about our wisdom, the wisdom that we've retained. And each one of us has found our own wisdom, our own knowledge. So let's really build in to the energy of confidence and wisdom. And again, we come to that sense of worry that we don't need. Release your worry. You can actually put your hands on your solar plexus right now. Place them there if you want to, or off the body if you prefer. And if your hands are being drawn to a particular part of that region, just let them rest there. Maybe it's the liver, maybe it's the spleen, maybe it's the digestive system, maybe it's even around the back, around the kidneys. Trust your instincts and just allow the energy to flow. That's all there is to it. We don't need to make it complicated. In fact, the easier, the better, really. So everything's soft and gentle. Just feel that energy, and you close your eyes and just get into that sense of the energy building. And maybe when we're working with our solar plexus, we might want to start thinking of maybe areas that are coming up for us that perhaps maybe cause you worry. Maybe there's a big job interview that's coming up for you. How about instilling some confidence into you? So when you go for that interview, you're full of vitality, you're full of energy, you're full of life, right to the brim. So your pot of energy is right at the top, and you've got so much energy to give that you realise there's nothing to worry about. Not at all. It's just an experience. That's one instance. Maybe it's something you're really looking forward to. Maybe you're going down for a trip down to the coast, to the seaside for the day. Imagine yourself in that space, having the best time ever. Your friends, your family, your loved ones all around you. Just having a good time. I mean, they're just two instances, but you can put that to anything, whether it's a problem or something to be enjoyed. We don't just do the Reiki for problems, we do it for the good things too. And we can just invite that beautiful wisdom and golden energy into our daily lives. Just feel yourself being guided to where the energy is needed, to where perhaps you wish to go. Trust it, allow it to happen. Keep building that beautiful energy. Don't be surprised if your hands start getting rather warm, especially if we latch onto an area where we think, could do with a bit of a boost in that particular energy sphere. It's not to say there's something wrong with you, not at all. But we can just do with a little bit rebalancing, can't we? I'd like you now just to take your hands out wider. Start to feel the edge of your energy field. How big is it? Keep stretching and stretching, and you feel yourself relaxing the shoulders. The energy continues to expand. Send your energy out to the room you're in right now. Have that beautiful, expansive awareness. And do you know something? As you do this, part your arms out wide, it's almost like we're opening our angel wings. So how about we open our wings up wide, eh? We don't need to be small. We can be ourselves. Really get into that beautiful energy of joy, of bliss. How do you feel right now? Do you feel alive? Do you feel expanded? I'd like you now to just gently place your hands in a prayer position. And just now, just rest them right on your heart center. As you take them to your heart center, just express gratitude to the beautiful energy that's coming, for those wonderful angels, Shamael and Uriel, and we ask them to take their leave of us right now. Just feel their energy just gently dissipating. And I'd like you to thank yourself. Give some gratitude for you, for this little bit of healing on the first of our 21 days. Gradual Reiki sessions and exercises. I've got some surprise coming for you, so stick around for those. And then just gently place your hands on your heart, just to really grind and ground that energy into us. Lovely, beautiful, deep breath. And then just relax and come back. So I hope that's proved useful for you. Please do share your experiences below and any other tips that you may have, because I know there'll be some Reiki masters, some Reiki practitioners, and say, well, actually, Gary, I've got this idea. Share it with me. I've called it out. If I do a routine and someone said, you should try this one, I will call your name out and say, this was suggested by, say, Amy from Warrington. Who knows? I'll be delighted to do that, because it's not just about me. I'm always learning. We're always learning. And it's through our togetherness that we keep expanding. And that's what this is about. Just imagine if we could all send that energy as in one beautiful unit. That'd be pretty awesome. Okay, so I did mention earlier about a 21-day routine that we're going to go through. I'm actually going to put it in a little document. If you would like that document, just put 21 days for me, Gaz, in the comments, and I will gladly send that to you. Obviously, you will have a head start on everything else, because it's going to take a few weeks for me to upload these bit by bit. I'm not just going to do a 21 splurge one after the other. No, I'll let my videos breathe a bit first and allow you to experience it. And we just gradually put it all together. And eventually, there will be 21 videos, and you can just replay them at your own leisure then. And that's the beauty with sort of like, self-healing, because sometimes you think, oh, I need someone to guide me. Here's your guidance right here. And that goes for me as well. I'll probably play these myself, play them back. It's very useful. And I just like you to just remember, take that energy into your day, keep your Reiki going, and I'd just like to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you so much. And before I go, there's another video right here which is all about distant healing. So check that video that's coming up there right now and see how that works for you. Take care. Love you loads. See you soon.